Hey you guys, Jesse here with Summit 4x4 Company. You guys put larger tires on your rig and now your speedometer's off? Did you guys change your gear ratio? Now it's not shifting correctly? If so, we've got a solution for you here at Summit 4x4 Company. And I'm going to show you guys just how to use it. It's the Superchips FlashCal. So the FlashCal calibration tool from Superchips is a must, or a product very similar to it. After you guys end up putting larger tires on your rig, you re-gear. There's a lot of different options that this thing is capable of doing. The most popular that we see are going to be tire size, gear ratio, and also scanning for diagnostic trouble codes as well. This hooks up to your OBD2 port underneath the dash, and I'm going to kind of just walk you guys through how to use it. So after you guys hook this up, you're going to get this screen right here that says press OK to select. Now I'm going to go through the process of adjusting tire size on here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK, and it's extremely important to follow these prompts exactly to make sure the changes do stick. So turn ignition to on, do not start your engine, hit OK when completed, and we're going to go to, you got running options, vehicle settings, return to stock and exit. We're going to go to vehicle settings right here. First one that pops up is going to be your tire size. Go ahead and hit OK again. I'm running 37-inch tires. Let's pretend that that said 35s and I upgraded to 37s. Push that up button. You're going to get up to 37. You're going to hit OK. It's adjusting for the speedometer right now. Once the ignition turned off, press OK when completed. I'm going to go through a little wait process here. Once it goes through right now, it's calibrating, it's resetting. Again, don't rush it. Just follow the prompts on here, you guys. Turn the ignition on again. Don't start the vehicle. Press OK when completing. It does go through. It clears all your DTCs every time a setting changes. So if you guys do have a check engine light on, scan that first, see what code is present in there. So it'll go through again, it'll clear this, it'll flash all the lights on your IPC or your cluster on the dash. Once it goes through that process on here, it'll tell you that everything is gone through and okay. So we'll give it just a second here to finish clearing. It says clearing DTCs complete. Tire size modified. So at that point, it's done. Again, you can swap down. Let's say that you changed your gear ratio and you ran some, say you got 456s in there. You're going to hit OK. Ignition off. Again, hit OK. As you guys can see, this is extremely user-friendly, very easy to use. Resetting, please wait. The only time we've ever seen issues, one of two things has come up. Either the customer didn't follow the prompts completely, or the FlashCal was out of date, which these do come with a USB cable to be able to get the latest software for it. So again, because I did change another setting, it'll go through, clear any diagnostic trouble codes. I'll give it just a second. Again, lights are flashing on the dash. Again, that is completely normal. This is a super handy tool to have, again, not only for that, but it's a Jeep. Check engine lights do come on quite often on these, so it's nice to be able to have with you to kind of see what's going on. Gear size modified, and at that point you're done. So it's that simple. You can just reach underneath here, unplug it. This again is where your power port comes from into the OBD2, and again, super simple. So I'm going to open up, show you guys inside the box here. Again, some sweet stickers to be able to have. You guys got the sync cable here to update for software and some instructions. There are quite a few options, like I said, depending on what model that you have. So definitely look into that. But again, super handy tool to have and a must when you guys are changing tire size and gear ratios. So we keep these in stock for the JKs and the JLs here at Summit 4x4. We're located at 402 East Sheldon Street in Prescott. You can also pick them up on our website at summit4x4company.com. Thanks, you guys.